Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an easy breakfast recipe or a snack recipe using bread. I have named it as a masala cheese bread roll. So let's get into the preparations. I have taken 4 slices of bread, any type of bread, wheat bread, whole bread, white bread, whatever bread you have. 4 types of bread, 4 slices of bread, and half an onion. If it is very big, half onion is enough. Otherwise, 1 full onion, coriander leaves, a bunch full of coriander leaves or parsley or celery leaves, and 5 to 10 mint leaves, and cheddar and mozzarella cheese grated. These are all the ingredients. And for seasoning, I have added salt and red chili powder and a little bit of cumin seeds powder. That's it, nothing is necessary. And I sprinkled a little bit of water in this, and to make it in this consistency, as cheese is also a little bit sticky, so you can use this little bit, you can sprinkle water. Otherwise, you can use 1 egg instead of water. If you are not willing to add water, you can add a substitute as 1 egg. Okay, and make it like a ball. Make it like a ball and deep fry it. So I'm going to heated oil in a pan, and the oil is ready. So I'm going to fry it. Make small balls so that the quantity will also be more and it will be fried evenly. Like this. This can be served with ketchup or sauce or any dip, garlic mayo dip or plain mayonnaise. It can be served with these dips. If the bread date is going to expire in the for example, if your bread date is the expiry date is today, so you don't want to waste it and you have more of them, so make it like this and it will get consumed. You can make alterations in this also. If you don't want raw like this, you can always make a paste with the all-purpose flour. Mix it with water and make it as a smooth paste. And after making balls like this, dip these balls in that paste and you can deep fry it. Slowly turn it over. It can be useful for a breakfast also. If you are health conscious, if you don't want to add cheese, it's up to you. Once the oil is heated up, bring it to a medium high flame, so that everything inside gets fried. If you keep the oil in a high heat, outer side will be cooked very well and inner it will be raw, inside it will be raw. So to avoid that, always while doing oily items, better you keep the oil in a medium high or medium low, according to, depends upon the dish. It's fried evenly. I'm going to remove this in a plate. It's so crispy. You can say as bread pakoras, bread rolls. Sorry guys. Crispy balls, you can name whatever you want. So the masala cheese bread rolls are ready. Try this recipe at your home and kindly put your feedback in the comment sections below. Subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care, love you.